guys. You know what, guys? I made cookies. Yes, I did. No silly in this vlog. You want to go to the guys, huh?
Hi guys, this is me Alon. And here is my brother A. Tara! Together with our family, join us as we grow in this chapter which is called life. Marami kaming pagdadaanan at siguradong meron din kaming matututunan. Alon and Dave, Family Vlogs.
Hello guys, so may lakad kami ngayon. May activity si Dave. So, activity niya is mag-bake sila ng cookie. Gagawa sila ng cookie. So, sasamahan ko siya. Ako lang mag-isa. Kasi malit lang yung space. Tapos, papahatid lang kami kay Dad. Kuya! Baba ka muna po. Alis na kami.
Pwede ba ako na-off?
Sige na. Bye-bye.
Bye. Love you.
See you later. Hi, baby. Lika na. We're here. Yan. Bye, Daddy. Wag na. May mamaya na remove. Ha? Bye-bye. Dito na kami, guys. Sa Sweet Babe. Hi. Hi, Kitty.
Hi.
Dito. Ikaw naman.
I want cake. I want cake.
Later you will eat cake. Opo. Ha? Yun lang.
Oh, cake. Oh, pink. Viva. Viva.
First Vera. Wow, very good. What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name daw?
My name is. My name is.
You know, wear your apron.
RRFF.
Yes, RIFF.
Oh, pink, pink.
Yeah. Ayan na, wear your apron. Apron. Yeah, ayun na. Andali, wear na. Wow. Oh, wait lang.
Yes,
Ano? Wow. What are you going to do? You're going to bake. Apa? Yes, you're going to bake. Yun na, yung hat mo, yung hat. Wow! Ayun na, sit ka na dun. Sit there.
Sit down na, baby.
Oh, sit ka muna. There. Sit there. Oh, not yet your turn. Wait lang. You sit there.
I'm sorry. Sit down.
Yeah.
So, we will bake your cookies. Si sino nga siya?
Axel.
Axel. Okay, Axel. Lagay mo na yung sugar. Dali. Stand up. Yan. You put some sugar. Say sugar. Very good. Sugar. Very good.
Check it out.
Next. Yaka. Yaka. You put the sugar, the brown sugar. Okay. Very good.
Dikit ka na.
Era. Okay, put natin ito, baby. Ito po. Yung butter. Okay, add natin yung... Sige, ma'am, tayo na. At maliliit ang ating chikiting ngayon. O, go, Vera! Gusto nila makahalos. Okay.
Oh, wait, baby.
Later, ha? Sa tatayo po siya. Okay, stand up din.
Yes. Ikaw naman, Lily.
Ano name niya? Si Rick. Go, Rick. Mix it. Mix. Sorry na.
Siya lang daw po.
Okay, go. Kaya naman niya eh. Very good. Next naman, si Isaac
Si
naman.
Isaac naman. Yay!
So cakes.
Yes.
Egg. Okay, you add the egg. Dali.
The egg. Put the egg
This one.
here.
Hold this one. Okay, hold this one.
Hold the bowl.
Very good. Oh, sige na, mix mo muna yan.
Mix
Wait,
it.
tingnan mo 1 teaspoon na, yes, ganila. Si Ate Bea, lagay mo tong, teaspoon. Okay, here, baby, here. Okay. Teka lang, may sumandal sa akin, hindi ako makagalaw. Sige, baby. Sige, mix. Dali, go. Halo. Alright, mix natin na. O, next, si Axel naman daw magmi-mix. Go, Axel. Okay, si ate naman muna, ha? Mix lang ni ate na. Lagay mo na yung...
What's that? Flour.
More.
Lagay mo po yung milk powder dito. May nakahawak na. Sige po, wait lang po, chef. Okay, milk powder. Next po. Ating baking soda. Wow naman! Ang galing maghawak ng bowl. Sige, ikaw na dali.
Shake.
Go. Para pupunta tayo sa ano ba ya? Ayan, very good. Ayan. Oh, galing. Gaya na si ate. Sige na. Ang galing na. Teka lang. Okay. Tama na. Next. Very good. Mix. O, sige na po. Mix mo na. Teka lang, Isaac. May dumudukot, ah. What is this?
Careful.
Chocolate. Okay? Alright.
Bigay na kay ate.
Sige na, mix na natin para makapag-scoop na tayo ng cookie dough. Icha-chop pala natin ito. Sige, go.
Dali na.
Go lang. Okay, mix na ni ate, ha?
Mix na ni ate.
Okay.
Mix na ni ate.
Si ate
Si
naman.
ate naman. Dali na. Si ate naman.
Okay. Ate, para
Very
hard.
good.
Dali, halo ni ate, oh.
Mix.
Mix. Okay.
Pindoy.
Later you'll do it. Watch lang muna, watch.
So, we have our cookie dough.
What's
What
that?
is this?
What's that?
Cookie dough.
Cookie dough.
Axel, oh. Nakanta-kanta na siya.
Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn.
Later, ikaw.
Wait for your turn.
I need some mother. Oh, I'm so cold.
Oh, your turn, your turn. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up ka.
Silip na. Okay. Ay, kuha ka na ng cookies mo, dali.
You get your cookie.
Ito, bebe.
Ito, oh.
Ito, hold ni ate.
This one, this one, this one.
This one, you get
The
this
scoop.
one.
Yan.
Okay, scoop your
Left-handed po.
Get mo, dali, get mo. Yan. Sabi ni ate, magkita, dali. Okay. Pag-ipit ko kayo. Yan. Dagdagan natin, ha?
One more.
Ay, sorry. Ay! Sa kabila na.
There.
Next. Ito, baby. Kuha ka pa dito, dali. This one, this one.
You hold this one, oh. You hold this one.
Okay.
Scoop.
Oh, tayo. And then, put it here. Oh, kami. Teka na. Wait, wait, wait. Si ate na lang, si ate.
Oh, si ate daw, si ate. Si ate.
Wait lang. Limog ni ate.
Oh, hindi ganyan.
Okay.
Oh, si ate na
Bigyan mo
lang.
na siya ng M&M. Lagay mo na ng
Put M&M. Put one here. Put one here, oh. Oh.
Sige lang. Okay, dali.
Put here. Put one. Dito, oh. Put one.
Dito, dali.
There. One more. Put here. There.
Ang galing.
One more
Mabait
here.
nila, oh.
Yay!
Okay, very good.
Did it.
Now, we will bake your cookies, ha? Okay. Ang bait naman itong mga to. Pwede na po.
It will, lagay na sa oven.
Pa-bake na po.
Opo.
Ready? Okay. Sit down muna kayo.
Sit down daw,
We
sit
will
down,
do
sit
your
down.
cupcakes, okay? Mira, stand up.
Wait for your turn.
Next.
What color you want, baby?
What color is this? Red. Very good. Next.
Okay, dito muna tayo.
Oh, dito. Oh!
Okay, very good. This one.
Yan.
Pink. Okay?
About this one. Violet.
Slowly lang, slowly. Give this to Mali naman, ha?
Yan. Another one. Oh, what color is this?
It's orange.
Yes. Very good.
Next.
Okay. Wait.
One purple.
Not yet. It's not yet, ready.
Christmas.
Ang galing niya nga nag-decorate sa hindi pa ko sa kanya.
Other one.
Bait-bait naman. Pink color. How about red? This one, red.
Add more, baby. Add more.
Okay. And very good. You add this orange. Good.
Rainbow.
Christmas. Christmas color. Very good. Mermaid.
Put here, ah. More, baby, more. Add more.
It's your turn na. Malapit na ito.
Dito, dito.
Sige na.
Oh, ito pa. Dali, ito last one. Oh, lagyan mo.
Seryoso na si Bianca. Go, Bianca.
Ibang cupcakes, lagyan mo ng sprinkles.
Di ba for you? Halloween.
Ito.
Halloween.
Oh.
Here, wala pa tayo dito.
Okay na?
Don't eat yet.
Ay, lagay mo pa?
Your turn later, ha? Mira! Ang bait naman. Pamuwi ko na ito, ma'am. Opo. Tangsandal ko talaga siya yung cream nila. Alright. Okay na?
Here's your cupcake.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Ate, ha? Ano? I give you maybe your cupcake? Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Naan ka pa ba? Yes. Okay.
Oh, hold it. Hold it. Smile.
Smile. 1, 2, 3. Good job. One more. Good job. What about you with your cupcake?
Yay! Smile. Oh, hold it. Oh, hold.
Nice to teach you.
Look at the camera.
Camera.
Baby.
1, 2,
Yun na.
3.
Layo ng tanong. Baby. You look at teacher. Oh. Yan. Smile. Oh, hold it like this. Ayan.
1, 2, 3.
Look. Look. Bibi. Yay. What is that?
You want pineapple juice?
Juice? It's pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice. Go there.
It's hot.
I get you free.
Oh, that's the one that you prepared a while ago. Cookies.
Hindi siya makahintay.
Careful ha, it's hot. Kung ano lang yung kaya. Blow muna, blow. Very good naman. Pwede ba rin kung ano camera? Blow muna ha, blow muna. Blow muna. Nag-lunch na tayo. Pero pwede mo take out na yun.
Kumakain ka. So, kape.
Matapang? Ano sa yung kaya kong bugbugin ng kape? Napakatapang.
And pasalubong. Kukuya.
Bindo's cupcakes. Ay! I want the red one because I like red.
Bibi, your cupcake.
How do I get this out? Thank you.
Will you give one to Bibi. Kuya, can you help? Si Kuya. Kuya will get it.
Bro, lick the whole thing. Ah!
Ayun na, ayun na.
Ito na! Oh, sabi na nga ba sa'yo na lang to eh. How do I get this cupcake out? How do I get this out?
What's